The first step is going to be to remove the splash shields and chassis bracing in order to drop the exhaust. Begin by removing all 12 bolts with an 8mm and the furthest forward outward facing nut with a 10mm. Do the same on the other side. Now unbolt the tunnel brace by removing the 12 16mm bolts. And pull it off of the car. Next, remove the 2 rear corner braces. Before dropping the exhaust, it's a good idea to support it in order to prevent it from falling and potentially getting damaged. This car has an aftermarket X-pipe, but the process should remain the same. Unclip the connectors from the exhaust valve actuators. Remove the nut holding the exhaust to the transmission. Unbolt the 2 rear exhaust hangers that secure the mufflers, as well as the 2 hangers on either side of the rear differential. Carefully lower the exhaust down. With the exhaust lowered, remove the heat shield that separates it from the drive shaft. Next, you'll need to cut the OEM carrier off. Make 2 cuts to the carrier frame. Unbolt it from the body and remove the remaining upper portion of the carrier frame. Now use a razor blade to cut all the way around and remove the inner frame from the rest of the bearing. Then use the razor blade to cut the remaining center rubber rib all the way around, leaving the base layer of rubber intact. This is about how you want your bearing to look before installing the JXB carrier. Now we'll install the new carrier. Take the top half with the bushing in it and put it over top of the bearing with the text facing the front of the vehicle. Then bring the bottom half up to meet it and connect the 2 together using the provided Allen bolts. As you tighten the bolts, switch back and forth from left to right so the bolts don't bind in the holes. A small gap may form between the 2 bushings. This is normal. Now take your bolt, put a fender washer on it, an isolation damper facing up, go up into the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then put your small washer on the very top. Same thing on the other side. Bolt, fender washer, isolation damper, up through the carrier, another isolation damper down from the top, and a small washer on the very top. Thread the bolts into the body and tighten them each to 19 Newton meters. Then reinstall everything and enjoy your new JXB driveshaft carrier.